Namaskar and welcome to my channel Infinity to Infinity. Today, this is part 3 video of crop protection and management. In previous videos, we studied about what is crop production, what is crop management, and in this video we will learn in detail about management. So let us just take a small recap of our part 2. First, preparation of soil. We have read how we prepared our soil. Then sowing the seeds in the soil. Then manuring, adding manure to the soil, and fertilizers, weeding, removing the weeds, irrigation, watering the plants, and now we are going to study about harvesting. So now our crop is fully mature and ready to be harvested. So let us see what is the full definition of harvest. When the crops is mature, then we cut them for the usage, for the further usage. So this is not a proper definition we can say, but we can say that this is what is exactly harvested. Now, after harvesting, there are two small steps. We can say there is one only because there are two methods of doing that, and because there are these two methods, threshing and winnowing. The purpose for doing both is same, that is to remove the chaff. Let us come to this side so that we can learn exactly what is chaff and what is harvesting, winnowing and threshing. See, suppose this is our main crop and a grain is attached to this crop. Then removal of grain with chaff. What is chaff? The outer part, which you can see this white. This is known as chaff. It is present in all types of grain. So the process of removal of grain with chaff from the main crop or from the stem is known as harvesting. Okay? Then comes what is winnowing and threshing. The removal of chaff. We do not eat chaff now. The removal of chaff from the removal of grain from the chaff is known as winnowing or threshing. So now let us learn in detail about what is threshing and winnowing. As we have learned the definition that removal of grain from the chaff is known as threshing, and now we will see what tool we use to do threshing. So the tool is thresher. This is a machine which is a very big machine which is used for doing removing chaff and grain. And in winnowing, we use winnowing machine, or we can say we do it manually also. Some people do it manually also. So now we will read what is this. We will learn what is combined harvester. See, as you can see that there is two processes in harvesting. That is first harvesting, second is threshing or winnowing. In harvesting, this combined harvester is there. This combined harvester do both the processes of threshing and harvesting, we can say. Now, threshing is done by the people who are rich and can afford threshing big machines, afford the machines or the thresher used for this, or combined harvester. And in winnowing, this is used by normal poor farmers, and this is very easy method. You doesn't need anything in this, but one machine is also there for this. Now let us come to storage. So अब हम पढ़ रहे हैं storage के बारे में. Now we are going to study about storage. So this is storage, and what is the what is the main aim to store things is because of to save from moisture, to save from rats, to save from microbes and different types microorganisms present in our atmosphere which can cause harm to our brains. So this is very important step, as for example, wheat is grown once and it is grown in very large quantity. Then what we will do? We have to store it somewhere to protect from these things. Yes or no? Please comment for this. If you think yes, then please say yes. So we have to store things so that we can use it for whole the year till next end, till the time again the wheat is grown. Okay? Again the crop is grown. So this storage is very important step in management of crop. So now the question comes is that how do we store? What is the process for storage of crops? So first for this process we will see over this. There are only one step before storing, is that dried in sun. It should a crop should be dry, all dry, so that when we store it, it doesn't have any type of moisture and it doesn't have our crop, and our crop will be stored for longer period of duration or longer period of time. Now what is in stored? What are the grains stored in? Grains are stored in jute bags, silos or granaries. The farmers who are very rich store their crops in granaries or silos, but the farmers who are not that much rich, they store in jute box. They store in jute bags, and in silos there are partitions, and they are having and they are kept in optimum temperature required for storage of a crop. For example, potatoes do not need any moisture, so they are stored in very dry place, and they need warmth and any other things, so they are stored like that. So this was all about this crop prediction and management chapter, and our chapter is completed today. Thank you and have a nice day.